don't do the same things over and over again. So that was the answer to that question. If you just jumped on, I did UWorld twice. I scored 45, 50%. What do I do next? Leave UWorld, go to another QBank, and start learning why you're getting the questions wrong. Yeah? All right. All right, guys. Well, listen, I got to get going. I got a lot of stuff to do today. This is always recorded, so it's going to be posted everywhere. So I'm happy you guys jumped on. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you're jumping on with me. If you want to work with me, just DM the word QBank, QBank or QBanks, right? You can send a comment, and then my team will send you a link to your way, and hopefully you could jump on next week. Every Tuesday and Thursday morning, we have live sessions in my closed community, right? My doctors who work with me. And then this is going to be week 2. So on Tuesday, we're doing biochemistry, and Thursday, we're doing cardiology. And overall, every week, we cover different organ systems. It's a structure, it's a schedule that you get access to once you join. And then you become part of the community, right? You become part of the community that we have. Step 1 students, Step 2 students, study partners, and so on. So I thank you all for jumping in. Brazil, eh? Carol Pires, very nice. I love Brazil. Brazil is beautiful. I love football, which is the root soccer to me. And the World Cup, I went there in 1994 in America. I've always wanted to go visit Brazil. I will in the near future. But Brazil is beautiful. Thank you, doctor, for jumping on. Guys, I love you all, guys and girls. Honestly, I hope you understand. I'm using social media to spread the message. Whether you work with me or not, I already passed my tests, right? So if you don't want to work with me, I totally get it. I want you all to at least know what you're up against. And I need you all to understand, if you want to pursue anything, medicine, law, anything you do in life, right? You need to be guided the right way. You need to know what you're up against. So if you're taking a test or not, or if you want to invest and be a business owner, you want to go to school, you want to go here, go there, try to get advice from those who really know what they're saying. And how do you know what they're saying? They're successful, or they're doing it for a living, or you see somebody who's making a lot of money, who's building businesses. That's the person I want to learn from, right? If you're on a forum, I love Reddit, but be careful. If you're on forums and people are just providing info, advice is free. Doesn't mean it's good. So be careful, okay? That's all I'm saying. Because I get many doctors that come to me and they go, oh my gosh, I spent 6 months to a year of my life. I'm not where I am. I need help. Because they took advice for free, which is awesome. But they're not sure if that advice was good for them. So I'm providing advice that I know works. Now, it's hard because you have to apply it to your day-to-day routine. And typically, if you work with me, then I can give you feedback. I can figure out what works or not, all right?